Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Got an update here, some cruise news for August the 26th, Monday. The story right now that is dominating the news with regard to the cruise business is the tropical storm Dorian. Dorian is on her way to becoming a hurricane probably in the next 24 to 36 hours, and she has already affected the itinerary of a number of ships, including the Allure of the Seas, one of the big Oasis class ships, the Symphony of the Seas, and now the Harmony of the Seas. All three of Royal Caribbean's Oasis class ships are changing their itineraries to avoid the tropical storm or a hurricane. Now, they do not want to get into rainy weather, heavy seas, anything like that, especially with the outdoor pool shows like you have here on the back of these ships. So Royal Caribbean has taken the Allure of the Seas over to the Western Caribbean towards Cozumel. They're doing the same with the Harmony of the Seas. They're moving it right over to the Western Caribbean, away from the Eastern Caribbean. Symphony of the Seas will stay in the Eastern Caribbean, but will avoid the storm, and so it will not visit Saint Martin. She will avoid that spot. She'll end up with another sea day, and then she'll stay in calmer waters. Now, over at Disney, the Disney Fantasy is also being shifted. They're moving the Disney Fantasy to the Western Caribbean to avoid all of the Eastern Caribbean turmoil. So, good move on the part of these cruise lines. Now, here at Carnival, we have news here that continues to evolve. It's to do with the Carnival Vista, the Carnival Horizon, in particular. It's the sky rides. These sky rides have been problematic almost from the day they were created. The first few months they were okay, then mechanical issues, unreliability. We've now found that they've been shut down on both ships for close to 2 to 4 weeks. Now we're told another 4 weeks for each, which tells me they are in effect rebuilding the entire unit. They may call it down for maintenance and they're trying to downplay the severity of it, but 150 feet above the water line is not enough to spare this ride from getting salt spray, and I think they've got to replace the entire track. So another month. Now, other news, there are two new cruise lines that are going to be hitting the water in the next 6 months. Here's the first one, the Ritz Carlton Yacht Collection. Here's the ship being launched just last month, touching water for the very first time. Of course, it's not painted yet, it's still in its raw form, but you can certainly see what the ship is going to look like from an outline point of view. This is six-star cruising at its best. 149 suites are going to be on this ship. All the suites have basically a balcony. 298 guests will be allowed on the ship maximum. Tipping is included, beverages included, Wi-Fi included. It's six-star luxury. This is going to be a hit with the folks who love staying at the Ritz Carlton Hotel and looking for six-star cruising. The other new cruise line coming is Virgin Voyages with the Scarlet Lady. Richard Branson's cruise line set for April 1st, 2020. No kids on this ship at all. Must be 18 and older to be on here. No daily tipping. Gratuity charges will be charged. Wi-Fi is included because they are going after the millennials, the Generation X, Gen Y crowd. No specialty dining. There's no buffet. There's no extra charge for any of the food offerings available on this cruise line. They have their own private island in the Bahamas that they're going to be frequenting. They're looking at 4 and 5 day cruises to start with, and then they'll modify the itinerary going forward. They're absolutely targeting the active cruiser. They call their customers sailors, and they're looking for a lot of activities on board, DJs on board. DJs will be at the private island as well. So if you're looking for an active party atmosphere without children around, this is the cruise line for you. And so far, it's been a hit. The story is that the bookings are very strong, and they have 2 other ships on order, if not 3 other ships on order, so they're expanding rapidly. There you go. There's the news of the day. The tropical storm Dorian, Carnival, the repositioning of cruises, and we'll stay on top of this story with the 2 new cruise lines coming up. Join me Monday at 8 o'clock for live cruise ship talk. Subscribe to my channel today. Become a subscriber member of my channel. And we'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.